Hi, we're here to announce the winners of the Hymns Challenge.
And the first place winner was Stacy H, who played 1,860 hymns at 96%. I'm amazed. That is astounding. Good job.
Good job. She was neck and neck with Cami D the whole time.
And she won a $100 Amazon gift card.
The random drawing goes to Luke W with 67 golden tickets.
And he also wins another $100 Amazon gift card. Good job,
Correct.
Luke.
Then we have two more random drawings for t-shirts, and those go to Sandy S with 261. Nice job. And Virginia T with 632 golden tickets.
So the next division of our competition goes to the studios, and we had a battle for this one. We had Cami D from the United States and from
Anna from France.
Anna from France. Mm-hmm. And the story is what?
Basically, Cami told her studio that if they won, they would celebrate with French croissants. So that's what they're doing.
And apparently it worked because they pulled ahead at the end and they won.
They did. So congratulations to Cami D and her studio. And Linda B with 1,152 golden tickets was our random drawing winner of a $100 Amazon gift card.
Good job, everybody. That was amazing. I hope you enjoyed it. And that leads us to the next contest, which is going to be our Lessons Challenge. Now, this one's the first time we've ever done this. So we would like to see what you think of it. It's really, really important to get in there and learn the basics of music with your theory, your technique, your scales, chords, arpeggios, harmonization. All those things come in the method and the technique. So for the first time ever, we're going to do a challenge revolving just around the method. Get in there and do as many as you can this month.
See you next time.
Bye.